Picture this. Ethereum staking queues are backed up with 950,000 ETH, over $4 billion just waiting to activate. Deposit now, and you might stare at zero rewards for half a month. Annoying, isn't it? But imagine bypassing that entirely. Earn yield starting tomorrow, keep your ETH liquid for DeFi moves, and tap into strategies boosting APY way higher. That's Lido, the liquid staking powerhouse with $40 billion total TVL. Its new GGV vault rocketing to $100 million in days. Today, we unpack why Lido's vaults are drawing crowds, how they outpace rivals, and my 2-week chart playbook for scaling Lido from $1.30 toward $5 plus. New to crypto? This breaks it down simple. Potential 4x gains ahead. Stay tuned. From ETHZilla's September 5th update, queues jumped from 800,000 ETH to 950,000. Demand's intense for Ethereum's 3 to 4% staking APY. That's annual percentage yield, your return on locked Ethereum securing the network. For starters, direct staking means your ETH queues up, potentially idle for weeks before rewards kick in. Plus, it's locked. No using it for lending, trading, or other DeFi. It's like tying up cash in a vault you can't access till it opens. Izzy highlights the fix. Stake via Lido's stETH, or liquid staked ETH. Deposit, get stETH back right away. See rewards next day. No long waits, and stETH works across DeFi while earning. It's staking unlocked. With queues this packed, Lido's pulling in users tired of delays, keeping your ETH working double duty. September 3rd, Lido unveils Lido Earn, your hub for staked ETH-powered DeFi strategies. The image shows it. Vaults that automate yields from proven protocols. Curated options from partners like Uniswap, Gearbox, Aave. It's the base for advanced plays, including upcoming DVV, or Decentralized Validator Vault. If yields feel overwhelming, this simplifies. Deposit once, let it allocate, earn diversified returns via one interface. Ignas breaks it down. Lido integrates deeply with staked ETH-focused vaults. Lido DVV via Melo offers 4.5% APY using distributed validator tech. Spread stakes for better security, rewards. GGV hits 13.7% APY, auto-routing to top DeFi via Obl SSV. These blue-chip setups compound ETH efficiently, making Lido a DeFi cornerstone beyond basic staking. Kopelman chart proves it. 4% APY via Lido-wrapped stETH compounds to 21.6% edge over plain ETH in 3.5 years. The green line climbs steadily. Compounding? Rewards reinvest automatically, growing exponentially. Lido handles it seamlessly, stake, hold, watch value accrue without lifting a finger. September 12th, Lido posts. GGV vault reaches $100 million TVL, total value locked in that vault alone. As said before, it's a hub for blue-chip DeFi, drawing deposits fast. While Lido's overall protocol holds $40 billion TVL, this shows new features scaling quick. DeFi momentum? Strong here. Hase's August 14th response. Lido is fully token-based, no equity splits. Labs and foundations? Non-profit, DAO controlled by Lido holders. Upgrades, funding, all voted by community. Zero conflicts mean everyone's incentive aligns on protocol growth. In crypto's trust-scarce world, this stands out. Remember, Lido's GGV vault consolidates Uniswap, Gearbox, Aave, Balancer into one reward system, built on Sommelier, P2P. DVV channels Ethereum and wrapped Ethereum to staking via Melo, sharing fees with Obl SSV incentives. Users get majority rewards while aiding Ethereum decentralization. More nodes, stronger network. Our network's chart shows Lido stakes 8.7 million ETH, nearly 25% market share per Dune data, competing with Aave's 9 million for top DeFi Ethereum TVL spot. LSTs, or liquid staking tokens, keep ETH flowing. Lido dominates, enabling $40 billion in fluid value. Diving into my 2-week chart analysis, I anchored a Fibonacci extension from December top to April-June double bottom. Now prices around 130, testing the 382 fib retracement, which often signals strength. Rejected $1.50 first touch, matching the 0.5 fib and small descending channel resistance from May 2022 high to January 2024. Broader view, large ascending channel, support at June 2022, April and June 2025 lows. Resistance at May and August 2022, February 2023, January 2024 highs. Red dash at 85 cents. Stop loss, close below exit swing trade, long-term hold stays. Re-entering at 60 cents. Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator trends up. Fifth green candle past neutral zone. Momentum is building. Crossed EMA's 10 and 21, blue lines. But 55 EMA, purple line, rejected first. That's a key hurdle ahead. VRVP left. Control point at $2.30, volume cluster pulls price. Green box. Dollar cost average zone between $1 to $1.40 for new buyers missing my May 29th 80 cents call. My targets. Circles at $2, $3.50 and $5.30, or 300%. Trim percentages by risk. Trail stops and profits. Remember, yellow lines hold channels and upside potential ties to Ethereum's rise. Wrapping up, Lido's $40 billion foundation powers seamless staking, from queues to high-yield vaults like $100 million GGV. It's democratizing DeFi, blending liquidity and growth. If this helps your strategy, destroy that like button, comment your Lido targets, and subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro for daily yield insights. Want to catch my previous Lido videos? Links on your screen. Essential watches. Your thoughts on Lido's dominance? Share below. I'm not a financial advisor. Invest thoughtfully. Real gains await. See you tomorrow.